So the distance from 0 to the minus 25, if I say the word minus 25, from 0 to minus 25 is same as the distance of 0 to plus 25. So that is actually nothing but absolute value. What we had done in our last class. Yes, Malak, what is the absolute value of minus 4?
Like -4, -2, minus, like the opposite of the number
I
9.
ask you, what is the absolute value of minus 4?
Absolute value. 4 -4.
It is positive.
0.
Minus 4 is 4. The absolute value of minus 4 is 4. That's
4.
like exactly the opposite will be opposite. Like example, if I ask you, Lean, what is the absolute value of minus 20? What is the meaning of absolute value? I mean, sorry, what is the absolute value of the number minus 18? Yes, yes, Lean?
Yeah.
What is the absolute value of minus 18?
It's gonna be 80.
Yes, the positive number with the opposite sign. The positive number with the opposite sign. That is called the absolute value. So today we'll do the lesson comparing absolute values. We'll do the lesson comparing absolute values. Now, let me just share the screen with you all. Okay. Vatin, can you read this?
Okay. Carmen is taking a one-day scuba diving
Not talking,
class.
it's taking. Carmen is taking a one-day scuba diving class.
Completion of the class will allow her to explore the ocean of elevation
The ocean
that are
at
less,
elevations.
the ocean at elevation that are less than minus 25 feet. Use absolute value to describe the depth to which Carmen will be able to dive after taking the class.
Okay. So they're asking you, actually, we have to first of all plot this minus 25 on the graph line, okay, on the line. And next, what else we have to do? We have to list 3 elevation less than minus 25. We have to list 3 elevations less than minus 25. Less than. When I say less than, girls, tell me any number which is less than minus 25. Tell me any number of your choice which is less than minus 25.
-30.
Okay. Girls, did you turn to page 171, everyone? Turn to
Yeah.
171. That is, we are doing lesson 3.6. I told you, compare absolute numbers. Okay. What's your name? Malak told me to say minus 30. Very good. Minus 30 less than minus 25. I agree to you. Okay, I'll write here minus 30 feet minus 30. Next.
Miss, but
Yes.
you told her to.
I said less than minus 25. Yes, minus 30 is less than minus 25. If it was positive, you cannot write 30. You'll write 24, 23. But this is negative. So she's correct. You choose any number which is there in, yani, which is there somewhere here. From minus 10 to minus 50. Choose
Less than 25.
Yes, less than 25.
Minus 32.
minus 32. Okay. Very good. Here, Lean, tell me anything. Lean, are you there? Hello? I think she's not.
Yeah.
Lean, can you tell me the any number less than minus 25?
Okay. Uh, minus 20.
Minus
No.
20 is not less than minus 25. It is more than minus.
Miss, can I say?
Oh,
Let it try. It's negative value. Less than 25. They told 30, minus 30 and minus 32. Tell me any number. 40 or 50. I'll say minus 40 feet instead of Lean. Did you understand Lean?
yeah.
Now, elevations less than minus 25 are actually found below, never above. See, if I try to point these on the graph, so it is like minus 30 somewhere here, minus 32 somewhere here, and then 40 somewhere here. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So this all are below 25. 25 is here. This is 25. So these all are actually below 25. Now, a second, girls. Give me a second. Hello, yes. So, okay, tell me what is, did you all put the points there? Now, what is the absolute value of minus 30? 30.
Yes.
What is the absolute value of minus 35?
35.
35.
If I say elevation less than bar minus 25, girls, you know that bar minus 25 means it is positive 27. If I say less than 25, is it above or it is below the number line?
Above.
Oh,
It has to be above because minus 25 actually 25. Minus 25 actually becomes 25. So of course the less than means it has to be above. Or I can say greater than 25 feet, not above the, and greater than 25.
Miss, but how is minus 25 greater than 25?
No, it's not that. I'll tell you what is it. See, when I say arm of minus 25, when I say this, girls, when I put a line here and say this one, what does mean? This means you get a positive, right? Because this line means absolute value of minus 25 is 25. Less than 25, is it greater than 25 feet or less than, like example? In depth, when you go down, less than 25 means you have to come down or you have to go up. Less than 25 means what? See in the number line. 25 is somewhere here. 25 is here. If I say less than 25 means maybe 20 and 10. So do I have to go down or do I have to go up? Is it greater or less?
Greater.
Miss, I didn't understand if it's like this. this mean small or great?
This means actually positive value.
So it's small?
When you get answer, see, when you get answer of this, this is positive. This means it is positive. Simple. When you are like example, girls, if I say an elevation of less than minus 25, but this is the absolute value. An elevation of less than, that means 25 feet. When I say less than 25 feet, the depth has to be greater. The depth has to be greater.
Great.
When you're comparing the depth of it, like example, see, when you're jumping in the swimming pool, of course, what will you see? You will see the depth. What will you see? You will see the depth of it. Girls, give me a second, please. Sorry. Yes, girls. So, compare minus 175 foot elevation and 175 depth elevation. Girls, what is the reasoning here? If I say minus 175 and 25, both have the same absolute value. Don't you think so? If I take out,
Yeah.
both have the same absolute value. That is your answer. Both have the same absolute value. So diver at an elevation of 175 feet. So diver, a diver at minus 175 feet is also at a depth of finish writing, girls, please, fast. Took a lot of
Okay, miss.
I took really a lot of time, yeah. Okay. Another page.
Just wait, no. Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Cole has an online account for buying video games. His account balance has always been greater than minus 16. If I say the word greater than minus 16, girls, I will just choose,
Yeah. Always,
that
miss.
means I will choose the numbers which are actually less than. See, let me first say you minus 16. Okay, wait a minute, girls.
You can say minus 12.
Yes, I will just plot some of them here. See here, minus 16, greater is minus 12 is greater than that. Even minus 8 is greater than that, right? Because they're asking you possible.
Yeah.
Minus 8 is greater than that. 0 is greater than that, actually, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now. Did you put those? Did you put those answers? What I have put in the number line?
Yeah.
Yes.
Minus $12, minus 12, comma, minus 8, comma, $0. Never write minus $0. Okay. Are they going to the right or the left? They are to the right of minus 16. Am I correct? They are to the right.
Yeah.
Finish, girls? Shall I go down?
Miss, why don't you write minus in 8?
I wrote minus in 8. I wrote before the dollar actually. We have to write before the dollar. Here for 12 also write before the dollar. Now here, the absolute value of minus 16 is actually 16. Here is 15.